How to use content marketing. Welcome to this video on how to use content marketing. In this video, we will be discussing what content marketing is, why it is important, and how you can use it to grow your business. A person typing on a laptop. In today's digital age, consumers are bombarded with advertisements everywhere they go. Traditional marketing methods like TV commercials, billboards, and print ads are becoming less effective. That's where content marketing comes in. A person scrolling through social media on their phone. Content marketing is a strategic approach to marketing that focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. A person reading a blog post. The goal of content marketing is to build trust and credibility with your audience, so they are more likely to do business with you in the future. A person making a purchase online. Content marketing can take many forms, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and more. Examples of different types of content marketing: blog posts, video, podcast, social media posts. Now that you understand what content marketing is, let's talk about why it is important.